Kĩama kĩa ngwatanĩro ya ma-MCA kĩgĩte na gĩikaro na mwandĩki mũnene wa kĩama kĩa UDA Cleophas Malala mwena wa Nairobi magĩcirĩra mendekithia marĩa matũmĩte ma-MCA mahinge mbunge imwe cia kaunti. Rĩendekithia rĩrĩa rĩkuĩte mbũri ta tha arĩrĩa kwenda macokerio mĩcara yao harĩa yarĩ makĩiguithanĩria gũtwara ũhoro ũyũ ikinya rĩmwe mbere kũrĩ rũhonge rwa ũthũrimi wa mĩcara ya aruti a wĩra a mũingĩ SRC.
We are going to set up a meeting with SRC. As a party, we are key stakeholders because out of 1450 MCAs, we have 805 MCAs who are members of UDA. And therefore, as the Secretary General for UDA, I have got the right to advocate and talk on behalf of my elected members, who are the majority of the members of county assembly.
That's why we are saying that the governors ought to come and also assist the MCAs. Because if at all the MCAs are not taken care of, it means the counties will stop. And therefore, every activity that is done in the assemblies will be halted.
No ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo kĩama kĩa ma-MCA gĩkinyĩrĩirie atĩ mbunge cia kaunti no igũthiĩ na mbere na kũhingwo nginyagia rĩrĩa megũkinyanĩria ũiguano. Gũkinyĩria rĩu mbunge 19 cia kaunti nĩcio irũgamĩtie cikaro kumana na ndũgamano ĩno.
The issue of welfare of members of county assembly is not the issue that is a party affair. It's not an issue that should be dealt partisanly. Therefore, when the SG wrote that letter to counties and assemblies, we decided to come to see him so that we explain the situation how it is. You cannot pay an MCA 34,000 and then you expect that that elected member will do his constitutional duties of representation, oversight and budget making.
Mbunge cia Narok, Mandera, Kericho, Tana River, Embu, Wajir, Kisii, Marsabit, Makueni, Garissa, Mombasa, Kwale, Nakuru, Vihiga, Kajiado, Nyamira, Laikipia, West Pokot na Samburu nĩcio irũgamĩtie cikaro.
We are given directions with the county assemblies that we control. I believe that no leader of majority will go against the word of the SG. But if at all there is one rogue one, we are going to deal with him now internally.
Kiribotera Inooro TV, Jetago Anigige Wanyamu.